This 2024 Grand Design Imagine XLS 22BHE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 25 feet 0 inches in length and features a Hearthstone interior, sleeps 5, oven, skylight, LP detector, microwave, carbon monoxide detector, TV, smoke detector, leveling jacks, water heater, air conditioning, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, front entertainment, front living area, kitchen island, Murphy bed, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Imagine XLS 22BHE is 5,589 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.